into a tizzy.
Screech all you want, cause we can't hear you!
Your supersonic's a dud.
With protective headphones, that is. You see, 3 pairs of screechless ears are happy ears.
But we can still hear each other's words of wisdom. It's state-of-the-art Team Rocket tech.
Chalo, haha, chow.
If you don't learn to fly, we'll have to give you the boot.
Chalo?
Brain can't fly either.
I thought it was supposed to be smart.
We saw you soar, so don't be a bore. Chalo?
How are we gonna make Noibat evolve already?
Hold. Looking for ways to make a Noibat evolve.
Isn't there some way to get this evolutionary show on the road immediately? We don't need to use a stone or wait for a certain time to make it evolve, right? Tell me it's not one of those annoying Pokemon. Maybe we could just turn it upside down. Well?
Found it. It says, raise it.
That's work!
That's part of the fun. Take you! I've raised you well!
Noibat's not worth it. Just where do you two think you're going?
Go, Inkay!
Okay, Punkaboo, fetch!
You get in there as well, Inkay!
Bad Halucha! You're going to pay for this!
No more nice guys!
Nasty always wins!